Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about drill downs in Power BI. First, you click clustered column chart. Now you click country and first name and sales. Now you can move up this axis. Okay. Now showing these buttons. These all are drill down buttons. So this button, you click this button. Now showing data name and year wise. Okay, then you want to only name wise data, just you click this button. Now showing names wise data, and if you want country wise data, just you click drill button. Now showing country wise data. Okay, and these drill downs also using matrix. Just you click matrix, automatically imported data matrix. Okay, now this are same. This button click also now showing country and names wise data. And next drill up click now year wise data showing. Just you click center button name, go to the next level in the hierarchy. Okay, now showing names wise data, and just click drill up button. Now showing year wise data. Okay, this is a drill on off button. Okay, now I will explain shortly. Just you click cluster column chart and select the to country, first name, sales. Just you move up axis field. Now showing drill downs. Now you can select the data as you wish, like names wise and country wise. Okay, thank you for watching our Laxmi Skills channel. Please subscribe our Laxmi Skills channel. You can get everyday updates. Thank you all. Bye.